You ever have that one child or maybe multiple kids in your classroom where you give a direction and maybe they're distracted? So you say to them, hey, move your seat over here. And it's like the red chair in the back corner or the side corner, whatever. And you have that one kiddo that doesn't move right away. Well, you're still okay. All right. I always give the direction and say, go ahead and move your seat over there. Go to the red chair in the left corner there so you're not distracted. Kiddo doesn't move at all. You're still okay because the kid is going to move, but they're going to move on their own time. And here's what else they're going to do. They'll maybe get up in a few minutes and move, and then they'll move to the blue chair right next to the red chair. And like inside your mind, you're like, are you kidding me? They dragged their feet for 5 minutes and then they sat in the chair next to the chair that I told them to. And now you feel like you're out of control, but you're okay. You're still in control because the direction was for them to move. So just be super careful that you don't get caught up in them following the exact direction. Because if you're working with a child who wants control, they will always try to maintain a piece of the control. So you got to be able to let them have a piece of that control. Now, if they don't move at all, but they stop all of the distraction that kind of prompted you to give them the direction to move in the first place, you're still okay as long as the distraction has stopped. Now, when the class does shift into a different direction or a different transition, now I have the opportunity to swoop in and say, hey, come here for a minute, bud. Let's talk about, I asked you to move and you didn't move, but you did stop talking. So we're going to have a conversation about that before you go to the next thing, before you go to the next transition. And let's kind of have that communication with each other. And you're still okay. So just be careful that you don't get caught up in that power struggle over whether they followed that direction exactly as you put it out. And that can be hard.